Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I trust that you're doing well. If this is your first time, welcome to Stellazone. Okay, I thank God for everybody, for my life and that of my family. So let's just get into today's video. I am going to be doing an unboxing video. Okay, I am going to be showing you guys. The box is not heavy, so I can carry it. This box here. Okay, so we're going to go through what is in it, and this is actually my birthing kit. Okay, as you all know, this mama, it's almost there, so yes, I did order my birthing kit, and it came in, and some of you be like, birthing kit? That's because I'm not doing a hospital birth. I'm doing a birth center birth, like, you know, they would say midwifery kind of thing. And so I ordered my birthing kit. I did order it with Nathaniel since I didn't have him in the hospital. And so it was the same. If I'm talking fast, forgive me, because Mama's trying to catch her breath. Okay. And so I did order this. It came in a few weeks ago. And so I just want to unbox it and get ready, because I'm getting closer and closer as the day goes by. Yes, so let's get, I thought I brought a scissors, so let's just get started. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is it. Paper. And then this is a list of the things I ordered. So this was customized to the birth center where I'm going to have the baby. The company is, this is the name of the company, okay? In His Hands Birth Supply. So they customize it depending on where you're gonna have your baby. If you're gonna have your baby at the birth center, or at home, you know, some people like to do home birth. And so this is customized to the birth center. They have the midwife's name, and so you choose, and then it will get you everything that the midwife has on their list. But I did add extra stuff on here for me. Okay, so they have this there was this disposable underwear, like Depends. Okay, so I have this. I ordered that. I ordered some Ethmamo tea. Okay, I read about this. This is called the Tetrabemester tea. It does have the red raspberry leaf in there, so that was a plus. I had to get one box to try it. So in a couple of weeks, I'm going to be taking this. Okay, so that's, I ordered that too. This is this is going to be for like a soothing herbal sit for after the baby. Okay, they have all these things in them, so it's like a sitz bath. So you just put it in warm water, you sit in it to just help your perineal area to heal after all that straining of pushing a baby out. So that is, it's right here. I have this with Nathaniel as well. This is 2 disposable underwear. I do have extra from last time. This is this is for the midwife. I guess they're going to be using, so that comes in there as well. There is there's a trash bag. Okay, so they put everything related to, I mean, their birth, everything that needs to be thrown into a proper, I would say, like the blood and things like that. They will put it in here and then dispose of it properly. A biodegradable thing. So I forgot the name for it. Surgical sponges in here. Okay, there was some Ziplocs. I don't know what they're going to use it for, but they're going to use it for something. I did order a receiving blanket. Okay, and this is a tape measure. When the baby comes out, this is what they will use to measure, you know, the head of the baby and everything. And then there's this hydrogen peroxide, which is going to be for the midwife. Olive oil. I use olive oil for for a newborn. Olive oil is good. As like you put it on before you put a diaper, because you know that green poop, that terry poop, the meconium. Okay, so it can be very hard to get off. So put the olive oil on, you know, and it's good. You can use that instead of, you know, buying diaper rash cream. And also I got this herbal spray, this perineal spray. Okay, to have it handy, because after Nathaniel, I'm telling you, when you go to the bathroom and have this burning sensation, just spray some over there. There's this gloves in here, okay, so it's going to be for the midwife as well. There's this pad here. You know, you go through a ton of these if you're in a hospital, so you can imagine going through birthing experience. So there's some pads here for the bed. So I got I think they did put extra. Okay, so yeah, so there. And then this empty bottle here is going to be for, you can use for this the tea. Okay, once you make this sitz bath, you can pour the liquid in here and use this when you go to the bathroom. You can, you know, just spray it, I mean, down there to help, you know, ease the pain. Of course, I'm going to need the ear or bulb syringe. You know, once the baby is born, get out every liquid, excess any liquid from the ears, and then there are some other. This is a net. I don't know what they're going to catch this with, but they did have this in the package as well. And then I don't know what this is. I don't know, it's like a lubricant. Oh, this is like a lubricant, some form of lubricant. You know, they will put it on the gloves and then check your cervix to see how dilated you are. You know, once they go down there, they put this on. And I don't know why they put a straw in there, but I guess they're going to, they know I'm going to be thirsty. So this is what this is what is in the birthing bag. Okay, I like the receiving blanket, so I ordered it just in case. But I like the idea of having the birth center birth. Okay, I was going to do a home birth, okay, but Steven is like, no, let's just go to the birth center so that we have a place to come to after the birth. We come home, which is understandable. So everything, the tea, everything that I ordered, everything you see in the box was $102.40. Okay, but I think the customized kit for the birth center was, I think, $80 something. I forgot, 84, 85. But then, like I said, I added the tea, the peri spray. It does come with a herbal tea. They will give you the customized one that the birth center have. It will come with the tea, but I ordered the peri spray and the blanket and some other things. So that's what brought the cost up. But I feel like it's cheap. You know, I feel like I would rather have an itemized, you know, bill than go to the hospital, have a baby, and then just because you have insurance, you have billed like what you billed, maybe 50 grand, 30 grand, 40 grand, I don't know. And then, you know, you have to come up with copay and things like that. And so to have this, and in the hospital, they can charge more for a pad. They just are not sending you an itemized bill. So that's what is in my birthing kit. So I'm going to put that in the box. I'm not going to actually put that in the bag. I will put that in the box. And then I will be, within the next maybe 2 or 3 weeks, I'm going to have my hospital bag packed and also make my birth plan. I have to print out a birth plan to let the midwife know, like when I go into labor, I have everything lined out. No episiotomy, no like things that I don't want to be done to me when I'm in pain and I can't communicate. Because when that labor pain struck, sometimes when they are talking to you, go, don't talk to me, don't. So that kind of thing. So let me know what you think. Have you been through a natural birth, a home birth, a birth center birth? You know, if you were in the hospital, did you choose a hospital just because you can't bear the pain? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And if you have any questions, let me know as well. Okay, all right, so until I come your way again with another video, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. Remain in God. Oh, I gotta catch my breath. I got to catch my breath. Mommy's got to catch her breath. Mommy's got to catch her breath. I got to catch my breath. I got to catch my breath. All right, guys. Bye.